My friends, here we are going to study about the graph of linear equation in two variables. The graph of linear equation in two variables. Let us know about what is meant by graph of linear equation in two variables. In previous article, we have studied about how to find out the solution. Now, what we do for finding out solution of equation? The answer is simple. We use algebraic method. Algebraic method we use to find out the solution of equation. For example, suppose I am having the equation like this. Say I am having the equation, suppose x plus y is equal to suppose 3. This is the equation in two variables x and y, and how we get the solution of it? By using algebraic method. So what we do? First of all, we take any value of x as say x is equal to 0, and what we do? We find corresponding value of y. So let us see. If I will take x is equal to 2 and I will put in equation as say x is equal to 0, then I will get the value of y is equal to 3. Yes, so like this, here you got y is equal to 3. Therefore, the first solution is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. This is your solution, first solution. Now, to get the second solution, let us suppose x is equal to 1 and put it in equation and find the value of y, corresponding value of y. The value of x is 1 plus y, that is equal to 3. Therefore, here you will get y is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. Thus you got the value of y is equal to 2. Now, what will be the solution? The solution will be x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Again we will take one more value. If I will take x is equal to 2, then what will be the value of y? If we will use the value of x is equal to 2 plus y, that is equal to 3. Here you will get y is equal to 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. In this way, your third solution will be x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Thus you can find many solutions, infinite number of solutions when of the equation involving two variables. Now, how to represent this equation, or if any type of linear equation in two variables is given to you, then how to represent this solution geometrically on the graph? This is the method of representing the solution, algebraic method. But how to represent it geometrically on the coordinate system, that we will study now. Now, for example, suppose here we have a graph. What is our question? Our question is draw a graph of say 2x plus y is equal to 5. This type of linear equation we have in two variables, and of this equation we want to draw a graph on the coordinate system. What we should do? Then already the equation is given to you. For that, you have to prepare the like this table, and you have to find the solutions of this equation by using algebraic methods. In the previous article you have studied like this, that. Now, how you will find it? Now, if you will simply observe this equation, then by simply observation, if you will take it, find the solutions as follows. For example, first of all, I will take it as suppose x is equal to 0. If I will take x is equal to 0, then by simple observation, what will be the value of y? If value of x is equal to 0, you will take here like this 0. Then we want to find the corresponding value of y. X is equal to 0. 0 into 2, it will be 0. Therefore, y will be equal to 5. This is the value of y. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. So, your one point will be, or the solution, one of the solution will be x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 5. This is your one solution. Again, we will find out another solution. Now, if I will take the value of y is equal to 0, now here I will take value of y is equal to 0 and will find the corresponding value of x. If I will take here, observe the equation, if I will take y is equal to 0 over here, then this will be 0. That will be 2x is equal to 5 and x will be equal to 5 upon 2. So, when you will take the y is equal to 0, then you will get the value of x as 2.5. 5 upon 2 means what? 5 by 2. That will be 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. The answer will be 2.5. That's your second solution. When you will get the value of x is equal to 2.5 and your second point will be x is equal to 2.5 and y is equal to 0. This is your second point. What will be your third point? Your third point will be, if what you will do, now you will take, suppose if you will take now x is equal to 1. If you take x is equal to 1 and will put in equation, then 1 into 2 will be 2. Therefore, y will be 5 minus 2. At that time, you will get y is equal to 3. And you will get the third solution as x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. One more point we will find. Here, I will take the value of x is equal to 2 and will find the corresponding value of y. If we will take x is equal to 2, then 2 into 2, 4. So y will be equal to 5 minus 4, 1. In this case, you will get the value of y is equal to 1 and your solution will be 2, 1. Here, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Like this solution you will get. Now, how to plot these points on the coordinate system? Let us name these points at first. Let this point is, suppose, say, I will name this point as P and this point as Q, this point as R and this point as S. I will name it. What you know? For drawing the graph or how you plot this point, you have already studied in coordinate geometry that how to plot the given points on the coordinate system. Then what you will do? To draw these points on the coordinate system, to draw the graph of this linear equation in two variables, only 2 points are sufficient. That's why only choose the 2 points only here that you feel easy. Okay, means for example, let us take the point P, or you can choose the point Q and R. So let us choose the point Q and R that their coordinates are in a round figure, okay, and are not in point like 2.5 and 0. So we'll choose the point Q and R. First of all, we will plot the point Q on the number line. It's how I will see the coordinate, x coordinate of point Q is 1 and y coordinate is 3. So here x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 3. So here will be your point Q. Okay, this is your point Q whose coordinates are 1, 3. This is your point Q. Okay, now let us plot the point R. How you will plot the point R? The coordinates of point R are 2 and 1. X coordinate 2 and y coordinate is 1. This is point over here. So this is your point R, of which coordinates are 2, 1. Okay, now what you will do? Now you have to draw the line passing through these 2 points. To draw a given line, at least 2 points are required, or 2 points are sufficient to draw a given line. If you take the third point, then nothing will happen. If you take 0, 5, 2.5, 0, the other points, nothing will happen. But here we have taken such type of 2 points to draw the line that their coordinates are simple and are in round figure. Now what we will do? We will draw a line passing through these 2 points. So I will draw a line passing through point Q and R, and I will get the line by this way. Okay, this is the line which I can draw that passes through the given line. Okay, now here we have taken only 2 points Q and R. What about the point P, 0, 5? Now let us see about the point P. Its x coordinate is 0. So here it is 0. And y coordinate is 5. Here it is 5. And you can see that the point P also, it lies on the line. Similarly, let us see about the point S. If you see about the point S, then its coordinates are 2.5 and 0. X coordinate is 2.5. X coordinate is 2.5. It is over here. You got it? It is over here. And its y coordinate is 0. So in this way, point S also, it lies on the given line. It means if you try to find, here we have 4 solutions, but how many solutions? Infinite number of solutions you can find. So if you find more and more points, then you will find that all those points, the solutions of these equations, these points, they completely lie on this line. Okay, so what is the meaning of graph of this line? Linear equation in 2 variables. a graph of linear equation 2x plus y is equal to 5 means if you take such a line on the graph on which all the solutions of the given equation they lie and they are members of this point. So this is called as graph of linear equation in two variables. In this way, by using a solutions, we can find the graph of linear equation in two variables. Now let us repeat what we have done to find out the graph of linear equation in two variables. What we have done? First of all, we have the equation. Then by using algebraic method, what we do? We find its solutions. Okay, in the form of points, and choose only 2 points. Choose 2 points and plot on the graph. Plot on graph and draw the line passing through these 2 points and draw the line passing through that 2 points. Whatever line you will get, that will be the graph of graph of the given equation in two variables. This type of simple method is there. By using simple method, you can draw a given line or a graph of a given linear equation in two variables. Okay.